Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for Chromebook users: the top-rated proxy websites for 2025. If you've ever been blocked from a website at school or work, or wanted to access content from another country, this video is for you. So, what exactly is a proxy? Think of it as a middleman for your internet traffic. Instead of your Chromebook connecting directly to a website, it connects to a proxy server, which then connects to the website for you. This masks your IP address and can make it seem like you're browsing from a different location. This is super useful for bypassing geo-restrictions or network blocks. But a quick heads up, always make sure you're following your school or work's policies and respecting local laws. Misusing proxies can have consequences. When looking for a great proxy in 2025, there are a few key things to consider. You'll want speed and reliability, a large pool of IP addresses from various locations, and a strong no-logs policy to protect your privacy. Ease of setup on your Chromebook is also crucial, whether it's through a browser extension or system settings. Now let's talk about some top options. For a secure, fast, and privacy-focused experience, many are turning to services like AdsPower. It's known for being robust and reliable. If your main goal is streaming or unblocking content through a simple web interface, services like Proxy are fantastic for beginners because you don't even need to sign up. Just remember, free options often come with limitations like slower speeds or data caps. Setting one up is easier than you think. On your Chromebook, just go to Settings, then Network. Click on your Wi-Fi connection, and you'll find the proxy settings. You can either configure it system-wide, which routes all your Chromebook's traffic through the proxy, or use a simpler browser extension that only affects your web browser. Some are even just websites you visit, no configuration needed. But there are risks. Free proxies can be slow, unreliable, and some might even inject ads or track your activity. If you're using a managed Chromebook from school or work, using a proxy might violate their terms of service. The most important thing is to stick with reputable providers. A good proxy service will be transparent about its policies and security features. So to wrap it up, proxies are a powerful tool for Chromebook users, but it's essential to choose wisely. Think about what you need. Is it for privacy, unblocking content, or something else? And always use them responsibly. While they help with access, remember they aren't a magic bullet for complete anonymity. For full device encryption and privacy, a VPN might be a better choice. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one.